So hello guys, in this video we are gonna fix an CNC kit for our Duke 200 so that we will start fixing the number plates and the indicators for this. So let's start the video. So as you guys know that we have fixed an custom Tailtidy, so we are gonna fix this type of CNC kit. So let's start installing the indicators. As we have already fixed the number plate lights, so we'll start fixing the indicators and let's do the process. So as you can see, this Tailtidy is fully adjustable, so we can adjust the angle and the length of the Tailtidy. So we'll start installing the side indicators. So it looks like this after fitting the indicators. So it will be like this, and we have to fix the number plate also. So let's start fixing the screws and we'll see how it gets fixed. So as you can see, there is a problem on the KTM indicators. You can see the hump on it, so it doesn't allow it to fix properly. So what we are gonna do is we have to file this particle a little bit so that the hump can sit on it. So let's do the process. So take the correct measurement so that the hump sits on its place. So take a measurement and file it through this type of filing tool. So as you can see, we have filed the Tailtidy a little bit. Let's tighten it and see whether it fits correctly or not. So yeah, it fits correctly. So this is the perfect finish, and the bump sits on its place correctly, as you can see. So let's start fixing the another indicators and the same procedure, and let's do the process. So both the indicator placement has been done perfectly after filing. So you can see the finish how it looks. So we are gonna fix a number plate for this. As you can see, this is a gel tight number plate, so it looks very cool. So as we have mentioned our channel name also, as you can see, custom mods. So we can't hold this number plate as it will look very bad. So what we are gonna do is we will just apply an 3M tape so that it fixes correctly and looks neatly. So we will do the process. So even the number plate has been done perfectly, and you can see the final finish of an real Tailtidy. So let's hold it up and fix it to the custom Tailtidy. So for the front one also, we have purchased an same number plate, as it is also in gel number plate. So in order to fix this, we have bought a product, so I will show it up to you. So this is our product. This is a front mount number plate holder, so that it has a 2 screws, and it will be fixed. These 2 screws will be fixed on the shock absorber mounts, so that it will be clean looking. So for this also we will just put an double side tape, and we will fix it up like this. So as you can see, the number plate will look like this. So before fixing, take a measurement of it and put it correctly. So both the number plate work has been done. So next thing will be is installing it on the bike. So let's start installing and we'll reveal the look. So we have removed the custom Tailtidy. So as you can see in this Tailtidy, what we are gonna do is we are gonna put and two holes for it to fix this Tailtidy. As you can see, it will fit like this. So we are gonna do two holes for it. So take a clear measurement for it and put a hole so that it cannot shake it anymore. So as we have done with the marking, as you can see, I have did it with a pencil. So these are the two places where the holes will be done. So let's start it. So we have to put another hole in this place so that the wires can go in and will be good for the connections. So we have done with the hole on the mid center of the part so that the wires can go in and will be easy for the connections. So we are done with the process. This is all the process. So let's go to the bike and let's fix it. So yeah, let's start installing the real Tailtidy. So as you can see, this is the final finish of our Tailtidy. So you can see the look. How does it look? Yeah, it looks pretty much good. So let's start installing the front mount also. So here we go. So yeah, to fix the front number plate mount, what we are going to do is to remove these two screws and fix this mount on the top. So as you can see, the installation of the front mount, it has been fitted inside of the mudguard so that it is doing a great job so that it hides inside and looks very clean. So this is the process of today's video. So you can see the real Tailtidy also how it looks. So this is all guys for today. So stay tuned for the next video. keep supporting. Cheers guys.